Okay, traders, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome to VTP Stage 2 Online, Technical Tuesday Coaching Call 191 for the 5th of May 2026. I hope you're well. I hope you enjoyed the bank holiday weekend. Okay, hope you're ready for an interesting week ahead. As always, you are very welcome here. Just remember, you're always responsible for your own trading decisions. Let's look at Aussie dollar. So whereas as I said that for Canadian dollar, we've not seen it. Well, we have seen that good trends. Okay, on Aussie dollar. So got pound against Aussie, euro against Aussie, Aussie against Kiwi dollar, Aussie against Swiss franc. Okay, Aussie against Canadian dollar. They've been good trends. I thought about a month or two ago that the Aussie trend was coming to an end around about here because of the price action, but that has not been the case. All right, that's not been the case in that sense. We had a little bit of a retrace, but that Aussie trend is there. Aussie has benefited off the back of the ceasefire. But once again, if we look at Aussie against US dollar, right, as I said, I thought here we had double trouble here. I thought we were going to sort of drift away, but we couldn't break the 20. And once we couldn't break the 20 and put a morning star in there, well then bang, it's no surprise to see we pushed away. And last week, we closed at the highest. All right, now go down to the daily chart there. That is interesting for the last couple of weeks. There you go. That's kind of almost like a broadening formation. I haven't drawn it on terribly well, but you get the idea. And then actually what we can see, as I was saying earlier, is that they hiked interest rates yesterday, but that, as you can probably see, that that's kind of just had its impact, right? Actually, initial impact to the 30-minute chart. That's the 30-minute overnight chart. The initial impact was to sell off, right, in Aussie. Okay, probably because of they're not expecting any more interest rate hikes at the moment. Okay, so it was definitely much a case of buy the rumor, sell the news. That was the case there with the Aussie, and that's what we've seen there. But those trends are still working their way. Aussie still benefiting from that kind of overall. Well, it might just be a desire more than a reality of kind of war off, risk on, right? Some precious metals doing okay off the back of that, and that in itself is not has not harmed Aussie dollar.